The automotive landscape is shifting dramatically, with Chinese car manufacturers rapidly gaining market share globally. This surge in competition presents a significant challenge to established players, including the major Japanese automakers like Honda, Nissan, and Mitsubishi. While the narrative of these three giants joining forces to combat the Chinese threat might seem logical on the surface, a closer examination reveals a more nuanced reality. A full-scale merger or complete unification of these companies is highly improbable, primarily due to the significant challenges involved in integrating deeply entrenched corporate cultures, brand identities, and existing production networks. Each company possesses a distinct brand image and loyal customer base cultivated over decades, and sacrificing these established strengths for a potentially unstable alliance would carry considerable risk. Instead of a dramatic merger, the Japanese auto industry is responding to the Chinese challenge with a more strategic and multifaceted approach. Individual companies are investing heavily in research and development, focusing on technological innovation to stay competitive. This includes significant advancements in electric vehicle technology, autonomous driving systems, and the development of sophisticated connected car features. These investments aim to create vehicles that are not only more efficient and technologically advanced but also better tailored to the evolving needs and preferences of modern consumers. Furthermore, Japanese automakers are actively expanding their presence in emerging markets, seeking growth opportunities beyond their traditional strongholds. This diversification strategy helps mitigate the risks associated with relying solely on mature markets where Chinese brands are making significant inroads. Finally, these companies are leveraging their existing strengths, particularly in areas like fuel efficiency, reliability, and manufacturing prowess, to maintain their competitive edge. In essence, while the pressure from Chinese automakers is undeniable, the response from Honda, Nissan, and Mitsubishi is not a unified merger but rather a strategic diversification of efforts. These companies are focusing on internal innovation, global expansion, and the reinforcement of their individual brand strengths as a more effective response to the changing dynamics of the global automotive market. Collaboration and partnerships on specific projects may occur, but a complete consolidation of these automotive giants driven solely by the competitive threat of Chinese brands remains highly unlikely.